Once upon a time, in a land filled with colorful creatures, lived a little elephant named Sneezy the Snifflesnout. Sneezy was known for his big, pink nose that always seemed to be itchy. One sunny day, Sneezy found a golden apple on his way to the river. He couldn't resist the temptation and took a bite. Suddenly, his nose itched more than ever. "Oh bother!" Sneezy exclaimed, "My nose is so itchy." He tried to scratch it, but his trunk wasn't long enough. He asked his friends for help, but they didn't have long enough trunks either. Just when Sneezy was feeling quite glum, a wise old owl named Orville flew by. "Why so glum, Sneezy?" Orville asked, seeing the struggling elephant. Sneezy explained his predicament, and Orville had an idea. "Follow me, Sneezy," Orville said, and off they went to the library in the heart of the forest. Orville went straight to the section on elephants and found a book about their noses. "Did you know, Sneezy?" Orville began to read, "Elephants have a special trick to scratch their noses. They use their foot." With a sparkle in his eyes, Sneezy decided to try it. He stretched out his foot as far as he could and managed to scratch his itchy nose. He felt a wave of relief wash over him. "Thank you, Orville," Sneezy exclaimed. "You've shown me a trick I'll never forget." From that day forward, Sneezy the Snifflesnout was no longer bothered by his itchy nose. He lived happily, sharing his new trick with all his friends. And so, the moral of the story is, never give up, for there's always a solution to every problem. And if you ever find yourself with an itchy nose like Sneezy, remember, you can always use your foot. Good night, dear children, and sleep tight.